Now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma released an amount of ₹40 crore as an advance royalty share from coal to the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council yesterday. The sanction order was handed over to the Chief Executive Member of Jhadc, Thombor Shiwat. Expressing gratitude to the Chief Minister, Shiwat said this fund will allow the council to pay the salaries of employees which have been pending for 12 months since March 2024.
I'm happy that Government of Meghalaya has sanctioned ₹40 crores as an advance payment of share of royalty on the major mine minerals to the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. I'm sure that these funds will help you to clear some of the backlog in terms of salaries and other expenditures. I would like to, at this moment, hand over this sanction letter to our respective CEM.
The Meghalaya